I've been pretty self-conscious about my smile since I was about 14 years old. I had braces starting in 4th grade to all the way to 8th grade. I remember being nervous about getting them off before high school, and I've always had a problem with an underbite, and that's something that I was always self-conscious about. I knew that having the underbite would also be unhealthy in the long term as far as teeth wear, and I've already had some chips and wear of my teeth. One of the things that makes me most self-conscious is how dominating my upper lip is, and for my upper teeth not to be visible during conversation is something that aesthetically is a little bit concerning for me. It's tough to smile and to feel confident, and so that's why I sought out Dr. Muslin after even quite a few dentist appointments. My uncle's a dentist who's been practicing in Iowa for several decades, and I asked him to look into Dr. Muslin's techniques and his venlay treatment and underbite correction, and he's the biggest critic I know. And so when he gave me his opinion that it's something that he wishes he could do, this invention of Dr. Muslin's to correct the underbite, I had to see it for myself, and I can't wait to see the result. I've had the venlays correction for my underbite. I've had the actual ceramic in my mouth for less than 24 hours at this point, and I couldn't be happier with the change. I love the overall aesthetic change. I love the way that it feels in my mouth. I like the feeling of the size of the teeth, and I think it looks great in the mirror, and then it helps me feel good as well. The night guards that Dr. Muslin gave me worked very well, and I was very happy with them. It was very easy. I could still breathe even with my mouth completely closed, and that was very nice. I haven't had any pain in the process, and that's one of the biggest issues that I'm happiest about with this whole treatment process. It's been very easy, and everybody's been so incredibly nice, and I can't wait to see how I learn to speak more clearly, and I'm working on my S's right now. It's the main thing that I'm working on, and I just look forward to the changes over the next couple weeks.